Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nneora. I am called to empower women rebuild confidence through the love of God. This channel is dedicated to help traumatized women rebuild confidence and also discover their true identity in God, empowering them through Bible-based teaching and powerful prayers. In this channel, you will find faith-based studies, Bible studies, confidence building tips, tools for empowerment and self-discovery, practical steps to becoming an irresistible woman. If you are a young woman, a single lady, this channel is for you. If all of this I have said is what resonates with you, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss our weekly videos. Join the community of women rising through faith and purpose.